Oh my God, he missed it.
Oh, and he saved it, baby.
He saved it. Oh
Damn.
my.
All right, you stop.
This was the second round of Woodstock. It was getting late. They were starting to get some dew out, and apparently there was a little bit of dew on the track as he was shutting down. He got on the brakes, and this thing got sideways at probably 160 to 165 miles per hour. It was almost disastrous, but he did a great job keeping it out of Austin's car and not getting it into a wall. Amazing driving. Really glad that turned out the way it did. But that shows you how quickly things can go from going okay to I just made a great pass to now I'm in trouble. Please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks.